It has been debated that Animal Kingdom has the best burger at a place called the Yak Yeti located by Expedition Everest. This restaurant gives the theater appearance of eating in the Himalayas. We will be recreating my version of their Kobe beef burger with homemade sesame soy mayonnaise, shiitake mushroom and scallion compote, and Asian peanut butter slaw. Alright guys, I've been looking forward to doing this episode for a while, just because of the meat portion. In case you didn't know, Kobe beef is basically Wagyu. American Kobe can be found at your higher end grocery stores and still derives from Japanese cattle just raised and fed in the United States. Normally runs about $14-15 a pound, but we will be using ground Wagyu from Japan, which is $42 a pound online or $39 a pound if you order 10 pounds or more, which we didn't do. But first, let's make our toppings, starting with our sesame soy mayonnaise. Start with cracking 1 egg. Blend for 5 seconds. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Blend for 20 seconds. 1 cup of grapeseed or canola oil. And to make sure that it emulsifies correctly, add in oil little by little until you get the proper consistency of mayonnaise. When you become halfway on your oil, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And there's that perfect consistency that we're looking for. 6 dabs of sesame oil, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir, cover, and place in refrigerator until ready for use. Alright, time for our slaw. So we're going to start with the basic Asian slaw. Chopped or shredded bell pepper, radishes, carrots, cabbage, red and green. 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. 2 teaspoons lemon juice. 10 dabs sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon ground ginger. 1.5 teaspoons chili powder. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And it can't be Disney without Peter Pan. Mix. And there's our Asian peanut butter slaw. Cover and place in refrigerator until ready for use. Don't forget to refer back to past episodes to learn how to make our hamburger buns. And now it's time for our shiitake and scallion compote. Keep in mind that this is my way of doing it, so instead of just cooking these ingredients down, I want to cook over a medium-high heat until tender, and then blending together into a paste. But before we turn this into a paste, don't forget to add 1 tablespoon of sugar and about 2 tablespoons of milk. Alright, and now the grand finale to this amazing burger. Here's our Wagyu beef. We're going to go ahead and weigh this out. It should come out to 16 ounces, which means our patties are going to be 8 ounces apiece. However, at the Yak Yeti, this burger is 10 ounce patties. And because this is such a prized meat, we will not be seasoning it. We will just baste it in butter until it hits the internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfectly medium rare. Alright, let's dress these burgers up. This burger comes in 2 options. One will get the Asian slaw, while the other gets the compote. And there you have it, guys. I chose not to add cheese or other regular items just because I didn't want to compromise the amazing flavors. Let me know how yours turned out in the comment section below, and until next time, cheers.